This is the story of when I wish I didn't look inside the package I was delivering. So I'm driving downtown. I'm going a little fast, but I don't want to risk being late. Traffic's okay, but it's kinda in an odd part of the city. Oh, where am I going, you ask? Well, the Christmas season is coming up, and you know, gifts ain't cheap. Especially for my girlfriend, Anastasia.
Oh my god, it's so nice! Don't you think it's so nice?
Yeah, I gotta make some extra cash. Good news is that the other day at my party, I was talking to the delivery guy and... Best part is, I get to choose my own hours. Uber's great. Damn, can anybody just sign up? As long as you're not a criminal. Basically, I decided to try Uber Eats as a side hustle. All I gotta do is pick up food from a restaurant, then deliver it. Easy money. I get out of the car and follow the GPS. I think this is it. It takes me towards... Huh? They really be going for a trap house vibe, but okay. I knock, but nobody answers. Hello? I try the door and it's open. So I walk inside. Hello? And take a look around. We got spider webs, dirty dishes, dust. Looks like nobody's been here in a minute. But in the middle of the room, there's a package on the table. It looks brand new. Somebody definitely put it there recently. I get a notification on my iPhone. It's Uber. I just got paid. What the? I'm shook. My guy told me the money was good, but he didn't tell me it was gonna be like this. Wait, I'm getting another delivery request. Drop off the food, take the package from the table, and deliver it to the new address. Normally, I wouldn't be so inclined to deliver mystery packages on Uber, but my guy was generous, so, you know. I put the address in the GPS. What the? It's in the basement of the house I'm already in. Bruh. Come on. At least make me work for it. At this rate, I'm gonna be able to buy everyone MacBooks this Christmas. I head down the stairs. There aren't any windows, so it's pitch black. I switch on my iPhone flashlight. Wait a second. What's that sound? Oh, no. A man and a woman are tied up and gagged inside of a metal cage. Wait, I remember them. But what are they doing here? I get another notification from Uber. Another $1,000, followed by a message from the client. Don't feel bad for them. These two stole from me, and just like all criminals, they had it coming. Now open the package and make your final delivery tonight. Karma. I open the package and... It's a C4. Suddenly, the timer activates. We have 5 minutes. I look down at Valerie and her man. In this moment, I was like, what type of man am I? I mean, I'm not sure if you recall, but these two stole 50 G's from me. I could drop this bomb on them right now and dip, and I'm sure nobody would miss them. But nah, then I'd become just like them. Hold on. I look around and, well, it's not a key, but it'll work. I pick up the axe, then check the bomb. 3 minutes. I start slashing at the metal cage. 1, 2, 3. The cage breaks. Shh, they're still tied up. I can't believe I'm doing this. I jump down into the cage, then use the axe to free Valerie and her man from their binds. Let's go! I help Valerie up, then her man. They look back at me. 30 seconds. I'm the only one still in the cage. 25. Then, the man reaches his hand down into the cage. I grab onto it and he pulls me out. We run up the stairs, then out the front door, and an explosion from behind. But before we can even catch our breath, police sirens go off in the distance. We look at each other, then make a run for it. Keep your friends close and your enemies closer. I guess I took that literally. Sure. I saved them because it was the right thing to do. But there was also one other very important reason. Where the f is my money? The man raises his arms up. I think we got off on the wrong foot. Allow me to reintroduce myself. I'm Wyatt, and this is Valerie. I remember, and I don't care. You better tell me where my money is or else.
We don't have it.
Okay, then who does?
The Underground King.
Do I look stupid to you? Look, I'm sorry we robbed you, but she's telling the truth. We'll explain everything later, but right now, we need your help. And why should I help you?
Because if you don't, they won't stop coming for you. And not just you, your friends and family too.
Who's they? That's what we need your help finding out. Who sent you to us? Some random number through Uber. Why? Perfect. I'll track the IP address. Give me your phone. I hand him my iPhone. Wyatt examines it, then plugs it into one of the Macs on display. Wyatt starts typing code. How?
Wyatt's good with computers.
Damn, something's not right. It says his IP address from Russia.
Then how is he using Uber here?
He must be changing his IP with something. Like a VPN? Exactly, like a VPN.
What's a VPN?
Pause. Things are getting a little crazy. I don't know about you, but I need a moment. While we're here, I wanted to show you something. Basically, a lot of you have been messaging me saying that you're an OG, but you couldn't cop merch because it's too expensive. I get it. I promise I'll get the prices down in the future, when we get bigger. But for now, I got something special for you. You ready? Custom wallpapers, designed specifically for your iPhone or Android. Look at these. Beautiful. You're probably like, yeah, whatever. If it's anything like the merch, it's probably like $50. But nah, I got you. A collection of 6 high quality pieces. Only for $3. Yup, only $3. Head down to the link in the description box to cop yours today. For those of you who have been asking me to post more often, this is the best way to support the channel and make that happen. As you know, animation takes a long time, but if enough of you buy the collection, I can hire other animators to help me get these stories out faster. So yeah, 6 high quality custom wallpapers for only $3. Support the channel and head down to the link in the description box to cop yours today. Now, back to the story. We're here. That must be him. At the top of the tower, there's a room with the lights on.
But first, we gotta get past him. Any ideas?
A security guard is patrolling the entrance. Wyatt and I both look at Valerie.
What? No, I'm not doing that. Hey there.
Hi. Can I help you, ma'am?
I'm just a bit lost. Do you know where the pet store is?
Pet store? I don't think there is one around here.
Oh, clumsy little old me. Thank you for your help. Bye-bye.
Wyatt and I enter the elevator. He presses the button. Pet store? That's the best you could come up with? And the doors close. We arrive at the top floor and walk towards the room. As we get closer, we can hear...
What do you mean he got away?
He didn't take the bait.
Does that mean that he's one of them?
I'm not sure.
This is your last chance, Axel.
I understand, sir. I won't fail you again. Bruh, you got some explaining to do. We enter the room. Axel starts giggling, then turns around in his chair and faces us with his phone to his ear. I know you from somewhere, don't I? My iPhone rings. I check it. It's the same number from... Oops, you caught me. What the hell do you want from me?
the same thing they want from you.
Axel points at Wyatt. A dart shoots out of his ring and gets Wyatt right in the neck. Oh.
Relax. He's just paralyzed.
Axel stands up. Can somebody explain what's going on?
You mean he hasn't told you? So much for a friend.
Don't listen to him! He steps towards me and places his hand on my shoulder.
Everything you think you know, the world, society, it's all controlled by a small group of very powerful people.
Evil scum!
Evil? No, far from it. Without us, people would eat each other. We are order. Then you came along.
What did I do?
Protecting order means controlling the media, deciding who has a voice. But for some forsaken reason, you started gaining subscribers.
Why?
Nobody knows. But if you can't beat us, you'll have to join us.
And if I say no?
Well, we can't have you threatening the balance, can we?
Suddenly, Axel hears a chuffing sound coming from outside the window.
We'll meet again.
Then, Axel throws his phone at the window. The glass shatters. He runs and jumps out the window. Then, a helicopter appears with Axel hanging out of it.
Decide who you are. There's a war coming. You don't want to be caught in the middle of it.
The helicopter flies away. I don't know what the hell just happened, but one thing's for sure. I'm right in the middle of it all. All I know is I gotta get out of here. I help Wyatt escape through the back door, and we meet up with Valerie. I don't trust them, but I have no choice. The cops are just around the corner. They lead me into the sewers. We walk through a secret lair. Tons of homeless people are camped out. On the far end, there's a tent. We head inside and... oh no.